What's up, my people? We're here back again live trading, and today we are trading yeah, I mean GU, and I'm in a trade. I'll quickly break it down and why I entered. And before, let me first show you the trade I entered as it on Friday, and I end up losing it. So this is the trade I entered somewhere here. It went in really profit, almost removed me. Then I got out. So that's how trading is, guys. So now I've just learned my mistakes that my TP should be somewhere here because there was a zone in the higher time frame like this. So this is what I learned from this trade. Yeah, my TP was supposed to be there, but greed hit me and told me that I should go for like a high, something like this. But cool, guys. So today we're in a trade, and let me see if we win or lose it. Like, I'm sure, guys, like with the system I have, we're gonna win this trade very well. We're gonna win this trade. So before I explain, let me show you guys if we're in blues. But it looks like we're in blues now. It looks like we're in blues. You can see I'm in blues. Let me press straight. You can see from here. Let me show you. You can see from there. I hope you are seeing that red thing has appeared on the screen. Yeah, yeah, we're in blues now. You can see. So now continue. I just entered just few minutes ago, less than 5 minutes ago, something like that. So now hit the subscribe button before I go to explanation. As the network loads, continue hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So I be doing this stuff more often. Yeah, just recently I was busy. That's why I was off like social media. So now, first one thing I did. This was like an intraday trade. Like, is I'm not gonna hold it for long time. So first, what I did to is to identify the trend. The trend was bullish, you can see, was bullish very well. So there, it makes no sense if I sell, guys. It makes no sense. So now I did this. It broke structure. After it breaking structure like this, let me mark it out. I mean the one HBFS. Then now, but the problem is I don't need to focus here that much. What is happening this side? They are all useless. So we don't need to focus on them that much. What we need to focus is the present. What is happening now is what we have to focus. So now after me knowing that we have to focus on that, I came, then I marked my structure, which is this one here, which is this one. This was one outbreak of structure. You can see highs, 1 H highs, then the low must be here. Like the low must be here, guys. Just know. So that's the high. This one here. I hope you are seeing it. The, this one is the swing high. Then the swing low must be here. Swing low must be here. So I'm just marking them out. Yeah. So since we mark this swing low, so anything that happens in this range, we're just know you guys we are bullish. Just know we are just bullish. So knowing the fact that we are bullish, I had to go to either the 15 minutes or the 1 hour demand zone. Like here in these days, this bigger zone is the 1 H demand zone. But I wanted like a sniper entry, like very sniper. Then I had to go to then I saw this small zone here. But that one like I went to like 15 minutes to get the snapper entry. Really mad, guys. 15 minutes. Yep. I went to the 15 minutes. Then I think even the 5 minutes. Wait. It isn't the 15 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. I'm very sure. This is how like I scalp. This is like a scalping trade. It's like a scalping trade. Yeah, I went to the 15 minutes. Then do you see this zone here? This zone here, this match here. So is what I drew in the 15 minutes. After me drawing it, after me drawing it, then remember the price cannot just go like that bullish. You need to fast sweep liquidity, it has fast sweep liquidity. So where's the recent liquidity? Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Like the price pull up, the price pull up, re- retrace a little bit, goes up. So we know, matter of the fact, in this low, there has to be liquidity, has to be swept before we have that initial upside. So that's one thing you should put in your brain, and that's what I knew. So now that was the good thing that I went to the lower time frame. If I never went to the lower time frame, I'll be waiting for a liquidity sweep now. And so I was supposed like if I needed a better entry, I could enter somewhere here, then I'll get like a big risk reward. But in that case I missed it. Then what I did is to draw this one again. Because if I miss that entry perfectly, I have to make sure I get another perfect entry. So I mark this zone here. After marking it down, I wait for a mitigation and I saw the price was like slow, like losing momentum. That was another sign to enter. I entered, then now I think we're in blues, guys. We're in blues. Just look. We're in blues, man. Let me first go back and I check when blues get. Don't forget, if you're enjoying this type of content, hit the subscribe button, guys. Like you're helping to support my channel too by making other new traders know my channel even exists. So yeah, this is the trade I'm in. This is exactly the trade I'm in, guys. This is exactly the trade I'm in. And just in case you are from our community, the 2% Club, I just want to inform you that we are about to launch a future based on, like, for us, we sat down one day and discussed about these, like, small accounts. So what we shall be doing, we shall be creating a link of XNext where anyone around the world can just come and deposit he he or her money inside XNext, inside the link, and that link we shall be the one trading it, the 2% club with the coaches. We are like more than four, we shall be trading it. So in case you're having a high difficulty, like a high, like if you have a hard time of growing small accounts, that future I think it will be best for you. I think that future would to be best for you. So anytime within this late January, I'll be depositing it on my community. In case you don't know how to join our community, let me give you the number to text me on WhatsApp. Then you honestly like you automatically join. This is how most people join. Yeah, like +2560 like this. I'm even not seeing the number, but okay, 609. So that's it. Let me put it big. Yeah, so that's my number. Let me confirm again: 07062460. One number is missing. 9. Okay, like that's my number. You can just text me in case you are new to this channel and hit the subscribe button. So that's what we pretty thought about the smaller account. So we shall be trading for them or like now depending to how much you deposit. If you deposit 50% and that day $50 and that day we make about 10% of the whole account, you get the 10% of 50. So that's how it works. I'll be making a video especially explaining what I'm doing. So now this is what can really happen. This is what can really happen. The price just went aggressively. It may come to mitigate the supply zone. It goes somewhere here, then it pushes up. So that's what I'm sure the price will do. I'm very sure the price will do that. So if the price like intends to do that, it may come for our entry point again. It may come for our entry point. And if it comes for our entry point like this, it's a good chance for us to add another position, guys. It's really a good chance for our position, for us to add another position. Yep. Now let me see how much I'm up to, guys. Let me see how much I'm up to. This is just like $18, nothing much. Did I even set my TP? I'm not sure if I set my TP. Let me see. Let me see where my TP at. Like, let me see how my TP at. Is it one? Let me see. That's entry price level. Okay, it's at 157.362. 157.1362. Like, I've taken time without using a tab, so I'm really confused. How can I do it? But anyway, we shall find a way. Let me try to do this like this. Let me do like this. Okay. 3 6 362. I'll put it somewhere here. 362. That's 39. 3 360. Yeah, I can work. 360. 360. I can just do like this. Mm. So guys, in case you're enjoying this type of content, 100% transparency. Like, even though I lose this trade, I'll still post this video, guys, because I want to show anyone that is just from learning, or anyone, even though how good you are, you will still lose one day. So it's very okay. As I showed you guys, I lost GU. I like narrated the whole stuff. So I'll be making about $81 in this trade, which is pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep. Let me first go confirm, because I don't really believe, because like my TP looks farther than that. Because honestly, I really don't believe this shit. But so what did I expecting like 100 maybe? I was expecting like 100 something. But let's take what the price gives us, man. Let's take what the price gives us. We shall take what the price gives us, man. This network now is like really slow, really slow, really slow. I hope all of you guys have understood how I analyze this trade, and what are the things that I took, and I put into consideration before I took the trade. So in case you are paying much attention, you should be noting down some things, like the way I think it will help someone, like it will really help. It will really help. So like my trading view is like glitching. I don't know why. Okay, this email 362. Maybe okay. We shall take that 80. There's nothing to be like, no need to be greedy, guys. Like, like this is there's a reason why I'll take that 80 instead of extending my TP, because like I have the authority, like I have the right to extend I have the power now to extend my TP just by doing like this. Just by doing like this, guys. Just tap and do like this. Then now it's safe. But the reason why I don't do that. Remember the trade I showed you? Remember this trade where I lost GU? It's what I just did, guys. I saw this zone in the higher time frame, but I said that no, it's gonna break. I said that it's gonna break this. I was sure it's gonna break it. So from there, just when near must TP, and it went back. You see, guys. So that's the lesson I learned from this. Yeah. So you guys, when you lose a trade, like also you should be learning from your trades. Yeah. You should be learning from them. Because for me, I never stop. The moment you stop, like learning from your trades, you are cooked. Like you're finished. Honestly. Yeah. So we shall be making this stuff. waiting for this. Like you guys, let me show you this stuff, man. Let me show you guys this trade on gold that I missed today night in Asian section, bro. You guys, you'll not really believe this. Bro, like this trade was too much. Even I'm waiting for this trade, but this trade is kind of confusing me. Cause see, listen, this is GU. It's confusing me. There is this zone here which can be mitigated and go. You know, there's this extreme zone. But now, from what I'm really waiting and what my heart is telling me, wait for the extreme zone because it will offer a good risk reward. Like, because like there's also why I'm saying that. Do you see this low here? This low has to be taken out because there's much more liquidity there. I'm very sure. So it has to be swept. That's if my hypothesis is right. But if I don't want like a good risk reward, I can just do this. Can just do this. Enter there and I put my stop loss there, which I'm very safe. Which I think probably I made, but I will not do. But let me show you the trade that I missed in gold, guys. That's crazy. And it was this stuff. I took the sell, but this sell here I did not take it on the account because like the entry left me. Because I was in the 5 minutes. Like I was in the 5 minutes. Let me show you my entry. Let me show you my entry, guys. Because see, like here I was first stopped out because I entered. I was here watching. Then the second part, once it was forming, immediately sweeping all of this liquidity. Let me show you guys. He swept all of this liquidity here. After it sweeping all of this liquidity, I knew is where the real move was gonna happen. Because the sweep happened twice. That's why because you never know when will be the last sweep. You never know. So after it was entering this, I knew there was going to be liquidity sweep and was going to sell. I said, cool. So after entering like this, I went I was playing online game like a shooting game. So it's when I missed this. I came after playing like one game 5 minutes to 10 minutes. I found the price somewhere here. So I say that like I found the price somewhere. I say that this is now very useless if I enter now. It won't help me. So I just say I'll leave this trade, and just following it up. After after that, I saw it has hit my TP guy. This one was offering a 1 to 12 risk reward. This was about 850 pips. So if you have just risked $1, you get a lot of money. You just get. Then for me, like today morning, after this move happens, I said I have to capitalize from this. I knew the trend will shift soon, so I needed for this demand zone to be mitigated before we hit the upside. But the demand zone or the zone wasn't mitigated. I really don't know why, but the market let the market do what it wants. So that's the reason why I missed this trade. But this trade was really good. Was offering me about 800 900 pips, which was very good. Let's first go and check out GU. Let's see. Now remember what I just said, guys. There will be a small retracement before we head up. Yeah. So for the guys who wants to join our community, the number is there, and I'll be back shortly. I'll be back, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Pretty much what I was expecting. The price to first move somewhere up, comes to retrace one of these zones, then we head up. Yeah, so I'm still holding. Yeah, still holding, guys. Still holding. Yeah, because you remember, guys, like the price will not just move straight like this. It will go up, retrace a little bit, go up and retrace a little bit. So now I'll be waiting for another entry, guys. Yeah, I'll be waiting for another good entry. If I see like my entry pattern here, I'll jump in, guys. Like I'll really jump in, man. Even can find this zone to like 5 minutes zone. Yep, can find it there. So once it comes there, we shall be entering somewhere. Yeah, shall be entering. Put my stop loss kind of tight. Put our stop loss tight. Yeah, like this one I'll be waiting for. Just enter like this, put our stop loss tight. Mm. Then aim to the same place. Just no get, just aim to the same place. Just aim to the same place. So that's what I'll be waiting, and that's how I'm willing to add another position. Because the first position it was like really small position, small position, small. You understand me? Let's go to the 5 minutes. Like the 5 minutes. Like let's say should I just enter the aggressive way by putting, let me change the lot size. Like should I enter the aggressive way by just doing this, by just adding a sell limit here like this? I'll delete it. Because for me, I like the safer side always. I hate risk taking. Then just like this, risking $16 to make I don't know how much, like maybe let's first see how much I can be making in this trade. Like I've not yet downloaded my calculator. I've not yet downloaded it. So let me see how much I can be making in this trade. I can be making about $160. That's good. That's just time to facilitate close. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'll be making. That's if I add another position, which I'm willing to add, honestly. I'm willing to add. Just, I'm very sure it's just coming to mitigate this zone. Then it will go up. I believe in my instincts. I believe in myself, man. That's the best thing you ever need to do in trading. If you believe in yourself, you're very okay. If you believe in yourself, you're set. But if you don't believe in yourself, that's one of the biggest mistakes you ever need to do. So now let's see the 5 minutes didn't really get. Let me go to trading view. I'm about to just scale in, guys. I'm about to just scale in. I'm about to just scale in, guys. I'm just about. I want this one to like make a wick downwards, just to tap. Like I want it to just tap me in to give me my confirmation. Then now I really go, but I just pray to it does not leave me. Just pray it does not leave me. Yep. And let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for it. Now let me to be safe. Let me do this. Put there. Exactly. So after I enter, I'll come back and I show you guys because I still have to the tea. I have to go make tea, some small tea. Then we shall come back. Yeah, just a few minutes. When I get tapped into the trade, I'll come back and I'll show you guys how I'm adding the positions. As you know, the market can do whatever it wants, and we are out. We lost about 90. Yep. So I'll learn from this trade. I will look to recover it in the next coming trade, something like that. But like I cannot say anything about this trade. It was a good trade, but we still have to use it. I'll look for another opportunity. Yeah, we lost about $90 on it, and I'm out, as you guys can see. Okay.